The thing I enjoy most about this conference is we're getting all of the professionals, all of the leaders of the industry together at one time. For so long, we've had to go without meeting face to face because of the pandemic. But now that we've learned to cope with the pandemic, mitigate some of the risks of the pandemic and get people together in the same room, it's been phenomenal just having those open conversations again. So data and digitization of the information of the process has been tremendously important for us. I was never so keenly aware as the importance of it as we were actually anticipating the first deliveries of the vaccines. And being able to tell people points of use, as well as the people going to receive the vaccines, that the vaccines were on the way, the sense of hope, the sense of validation for trust with government and the industry that supports it, it was just been amazing throughout all of this. And so data and information has really become important to everything that we're doing, and it's only growing on a daily basis for the industry. So very simply, Operation Warp Speed was the US government effort, which was a public-private partnership to speed the rapid delivery, accelerate the, if I could just start over on that one. So Operation Warp Speed was a US government effort which paired the best of government, the best of private industry, the best of academia to work together to accelerate the research and development, design, development, production, distribution, and administration of vaccines and therapeutics to the citizens of the country. And so I was very pleased to be able to participate in such a grand undertaking that's really going to impact the country for years to come, generations into the future. As terrible as the pandemic was, one of the things that it did do was serve as really a pilot for us to really develop supply chain capability and cold chain capability to a much higher level than it had ever been in the past. As a career logistician, first military, and then as a private entity, private commercial logistician, to hear the world talk about not just little pieces of logistics, but supply chain optimization, it's a great feeling, and I think it'll enable us to move forward, providing better service, whether it's for the pharmaceutical biotech industry or even food and beverage industry or whatever. I think all of that capability is just going to resonate across the world, and I think it's going to become much better, much easier, much better for the consumer at the end. This venue is tremendously important to get all the right leaders together. Understanding best practices from across the industry and building better systems for the future is only going to make all of us better and the consumer have a better end result. So I'm looking forward to what's going to happen for the rest of this conference, as well as the future conferences that are scheduled.